everyone, and welcome to today's video. I am vlogging today, as you can tell, and if today's vlog is a little less energy, like a little low on energy, it's because I am exhausted. It is currently, what time is it? I mean, I think it's like midday. Yeah, it's like midday. Do you want to say hi?
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, it's like midday and we are still in bed. Like, we really haven't even done much of anything today. We woke up. Let me just tell you about what happened last night. So, well, nothing crazy happened. It was just, I didn't sleep very well. And I don't think you did either. Did you sleep? Did I keep you up?
You woke me up once, but then I fell asleep again immediately.
Okay, so that was fine. So at least he was able to sleep. So almost went to bed at 12 at, you know, midnight. But then we were like, we're just not that tired. So we stayed up until 2. And then we went to bed finally at 2. And then my mom called me at 3 a.m. my time. I woke up, you know, like scared because, you know, my phone went off. And then I was like, why is my mom calling me at 3 in the morning? Is everything okay? Like, is she good? So I was, you know, freaking out. And then I answered it and she goes, I didn't realize what time it was over there. I'm sorry. I'm like, okay, so everything's good? So he was like, yeah, everything's fine. I just said I'll call you, you know, tomorrow. But that was the damage was already done. I was already awake. I slept for an hour and then I woke up at 3. And then it took me probably like an hour and a half, if maybe even longer, probably an hour and a half to actually go back to sleep. And then I woke up at 9. So I'm a zombie today. Anyways, I hope you're all having a wonderful day. We're not going to be doing any kind of like fancy challenge video today or anything like that. We're just going to be a fun, chill vlog because we're not doing diddly squat today. I will show you a few things that we got yesterday because we went to the leisure center. It was super fun. It was my first time going to this particular one. Last time I was here, I went to one. It was a different one, but it was my first time going this time around. And I'm actually really excited because I went to get dice because we're actually doing a D&D something. I'm so excited. We're doing like a 1-shot or 2-shot.
We start with a 1-shot, but we'll probably continue. I even bought the cards.
He did. Okay, I've been wanting to play D&D for so long. Again, for so long. So this weekend we're finally doing that, but I had to get some dice because I don't have an actual set of dice. So we went to the leisure center, I got some dice, and then Raph got the monster cards. They're like little cards that have all the monsters on them, and this is like challenge rating 0 to 5 or 1 to 5, I forget. So whenever we're playing, he can just reference the cards and not have to deal with the monster manual. So that's very nice. And then I got a couple of paints from Citadel Paint. I know those are really used to paint Warhammer stuff, but I got them for something that I'm working on. Oh, and you also got Paladin cards. His cousin that's also playing the D&D campaign with us, he's playing a Paladin, so he got Paladin cards too for him, so that's super nice. That's pretty much it for right now. I'm super exhausted, and I'm going to watch YouTube pretty much all day, but I'll just kind of take you with me today if something else interesting happens and just chill and talk and have a good time. But it's going to be a very chill vlog today. Not much is going to happen in this vlog, so if you like chill vlogs, stick around, but I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, bye. We didn't go to the cafe today at all, so we are having coffee in bed, and we had pizza for breakfast because we ordered pizza last night for dinner, so we had pizza for breakfast, and now we're just having our coffee. We're doing TikToks now. We've already got 2 filmed. I think we're gonna do a few more. Are we doing Roman ones?
We're doing Roman ones
Roman ones, and I think we're doing a couple of samurai ones today. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah. Today's been riveting. We have done nothing. Actually, well, I've done nothing. He's been doing research for a video that he's doing next. But yeah, now we're just doing TikToks. What do you want to do next, Roman or samurai?
We should do samurai.
Okay. The samurai armor takes so long to put on. I've done a horrible job of vlogging anything today, so I do apologize. It's literally just been one of those days to where we have genuinely done nothing. Well, again, I have done nothing. Raph has done research and stuff like that, but we just finished eating. We had this like spinach stuff. It's literally all gone. I forgot to vlog it before we ate. but it was spinach with mozzarella cheese and Parmesan. It was super good. And then we had some sausages with like a copious amount of sauce because I love sauce. I'm actually currently watching this Netflix movie called Blood Red Sky. I just found it. I thought it looked super interesting and it's pretty good so far. I'm like, I'm not even halfway through. I'm still pretty much in the beginning, but it's really good so far. If you haven't seen it, I would recommend it as of right now. But if you have seen it, let me know what your thoughts are. I might turn this into like a 2-day vlog or something like that. Like I might do this day and then continue it tomorrow because I feel like I've literally done nothing. I might do that. Just to give you guys a little bit more content. But anyways, hope you're having a great day. If I film more today, then great. If I don't, then I will see you tomorrow. So Raph has been over here trying to finish our D&D session.
See.
Do you want to tell them what you told me a second ago, that it's going to be like an adventure? Or...
Yeah, it's going to be, so I'm creating an adventure, and it's going to be, of course, adventurous. It's going to be epic and quite horror.
Ah.
A bit of investigation and combat, because there always has to be combat, well, at least for me. So that's the plan.
Yeah, combat sounds very nice. Everything sounds very nice. Good morning, everyone. It is the next day, as you can tell, and we're actually up and we're gonna be doing stuff today. Well, not really. We're going to the cafe right now. But yeah, I'm gonna take you with me today as well, and it'll be like a 2-day vlog in one. We're probably not gonna be getting into much of anything either. I don't really know. We're probably just gonna like hang out and work. So yeah, sounds like a good time. But let's go to breakfast first. It's a bit later now, and Raph actually just finished filming, and this new video that he's releasing soon, it's really nice. He's actually doing a reaction to the Last Duel trailer, so it's it should be pretty funny. Also, guess who made a guest appearance in the video? I'm actually really excited about it because I think you guys are gonna laugh. He just giggled. He was like, so he thinks it's funny too. But anyways, I hope y'all having a great day. We're just hanging out now. He just finished, so he's putting his stuff away, and we're gonna have dinner here in a little bit. You guys, I've just been so boring the past week or so. We haven't really gone anywhere, done anything. You know, we're just chilling. So I apologize if the vlog is just boring as shit. I don't know what we're gonna have for dinner. Honestly, I have no clue. I've been eating a lot of pasta recently, but it's good. I'm not complaining. I love the pasta here. I don't know what it is. Just Italians make pasta better. Like, they have the same water. They have the same, you know, salt. They have the same, well, I think their tomatoes are different than ours, so that's probably it. They just make better pasta, in my opinion. Anyways, yeah, I just wanted to check in, say hi, but I'll show you whatever I end up eating whenever I do eat. But hope you're having a great day again, and I'll talk to you when something else interesting happens. You guys, it's the end of the night now, and I have not moved from my last position that I saw you at previously. Yeah, I've done literally nothing. Actually, that's not true. That's actually not true. So I have edited those TikToks now. I got them done. Yeah, now I'm watching videos on Instagram. I'm watching like Instagram live videos on dice making. Yeah, believe it or not, I actually opened up a dice Instagram page. It is right here at Made Crafts Dice. And you guys, I have just been so enamored and enthralled and just like so inspired. But for these dice makers, if you don't know, it's like dice for like RPGs, tabletop RPGs, D&D, Magic the Gathering, stuff like that. And these dice makers are just insane, and I think they're awesome. So I opened my own dice Instagram, and I have ordered some stuff to make my own dice sets in the future. So If you want to follow my Dice Instagram, I would thank you very much. I was gonna say I'd highly recommend it, but there's no content on there yet because, you know, I haven't posted anything and all of the stuff that I've ordered gets sent to America and I don't get back home until the end of August. So it's gonna be a minute, but if you do follow me before I post anything, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Yeah. It's gonna be really fun. I'm very, very excited though. I already have a few ideas of what I want to make first, like the dice sets I want to make. And I got the cutest freaking logos made. Here's this one, and then here's this one. I love them both, and I genuinely cannot decide on which one I like most. So let me know in the comments which one you guys like the best. But anyways, I am going to end the vlog for now. I hope that you've enjoyed the last 2 days of us doing nothing, and I hope that this vlog was very riveting for you. Please follow my Dice Instagram as well as my regular personal Instagram because I do post over here daily and I love Instagram very much. But hope you're having a great day. Give this video a thumbs up and like it if you liked it, and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye!